This video will demonstrate how to install the EZ8WSSSMC refrigerated non-filtered surface mount bottle filling station. Before starting, please read the installation manual and all warning labels. Refer to the installation manual at any time for additional details. The use of personal protective equipment is recommended. Here are the tools you'll need for installation. Prior to cutting into the wall, ensure there are no electrical wires or plumbing lines present. Begin by putting on your personal protective equipment. Check the water supply pressure. The water pressure for model EZ8WSSSMC should measure between 20 psi and 105 psi. Anything below 20 psi will result in decreased water flow and may damage the product. Carefully open the packaging and remove the unit. Thoroughly inspect it for shipping damage. Installing a damaged product will void the warranty. Using the installation guide for reference, confirm that all parts are accounted for before proceeding. Shut off the water supply and disconnect power to the electrical outlet before installation. Install the water supply in accordance with local plumbing codes. Use at least 3/8" outer diameter unplated copper tube for the supply line. The pipe should extend 3 inches maximum from the wall. Install a quarter-turn installer-supplied shutoff valve. Connect the shutoff valve to the water inlet. Next, install a wastewater drain. The waste outlet must be a minimum of 1 1/4 inches outer diameter for single units, and the pipe should extend 2 inches from the wall. Verify that the outlet is a GFCI. If not, change the outlet so that it is. For optimal performance, a 20-amp hospital-grade GFCI protection device is recommended. Refer to the installation guide for detailed safety information and best practices. To mount the cooler, start by removing the front cover. Remove the two 5/16" hex screws on the bottom side of the cover. Then remove the hanger bracket. Install the hanger bracket with 5 screws in the 7/16" diameter mounting holes. If needed, add additional fixture support to ensure the bracket is properly supported. Next, hang the unit onto the hanger bracket and install the 2 mounting screws to attach the cooler to the wall. Finally, connect the unit water line to the shutoff valve. Remove the 2 mounting screws that secure the top cover to the bottle filler with a 5/32" Allen wrench. Keep these screws handy as they will be needed to reinstall the top cover. Next, remove the wall mounting plate. Place the mounting plate against the wall on top of the basin. Center the mounting plate side to side with the basin and mark the 6 mounting holes with a pencil. Install the wall mounting plate to the wall using 6 7/16" screws through the mounting holes. Use the fasteners that are most appropriate for the wall type. Now set the bottle filler onto the basin. Feed the power cord and 3/8" water line through the hole in the basin, and then through the hole on top of the water chiller. Attach the bottle filler to the 3 angled tabs on the mounting plate. Next, tip the top of the bottle filler toward the mounting plate. Slide the bottle filler down until it nests in place. The basin rib should be behind the bottle filler alcove. Now, reinstall the top cover of the bottle filler using the 2 mounting screws you set aside. Connect the bottle filler water line inside the water cooler, and connect all the drain and water supply fittings. Now, turn on the water supply. Before continuing, ensure there are no leaks on the drain connections. Then, plug in the water cooler and the bottle filler. Once power is activated, the green ticker bottle counter, located on the upper right corner of the bottle filler, will illuminate. Verify proper dispensing by placing a cup or object in front of the sensor. When trying this, water may dispense with a sputter due to air in the water line. This is normal. Next, check the lines and connections for water leaks. If there is any indication of a water leak, repair the faulty connections before proceeding. Dispense at least 2 gallons of water to rid trapped air from the water supply. If the unit is functioning without issue, reinstall the front cover by installing the 2 5/16" hex screws on the bottom side of the cooler. Upon startup, the green ticker bottle counter will show several bottles saved. This is due to the 2 gallons or more of water that was dispensed to prepare the water supply line for use. This concludes the installation of the Elkay refrigerated surface mount bottle filling station. The unit is now ready for use. Thank you for helping make healthy hydration a reality.